Is it legal for a teenager to disobey the court-ordered child custody schedule? Is it legal for a teenager to refuse to comply with the court-ordered child custody and/or parent time schedule? In Utah, there is no express criminal code provision that makes it a crime for a minor child to refuse to comply with a court's child custody and/or parent time orders. Now, there are provisions in the Utah Code for punishing non-compliance with court orders, which are known as contempt of court sanctions. And whether a child can be held in contempt of court for refusing to comply with child custody or parent time orders has never come up in Utah, at least at the appellate level. I have researched this question in other jurisdictions, and it appears to me that a child can be held in contempt of court for violating child custody and/or parent time or visitation orders. Indeed, I have tried to have a child held in contempt for this very thing more than once, i.e., non-compliance with the child custody and/or parent time orders. But I have yet to see a court hold a child in contempt for it. In my experience, the fact is that when children, particularly teenagers, refuse to reside with or spend time with a parent as court ordered, the court will typically throw its hands in the air and say that the child has reached a point in his or her autonomy where it is practically impossible to force a child to comply, and/or that trying to use the powers of the court to force a child to comply would do the child more harm than good.